Embedding a Looker Studio report into a website or another platform allows you to share interactive reports with a broader audience. Here's how to embed a Looker Studio report. Create or open a report. Go to Looker Studio. Visit datastudio.google.com and log in. Open a report. Either create a new report or open an existing report you want to embed. Prepare the report for embedding. Adjust permissions. Click on the Share button and ensure the report's sharing settings are set to anyone with the link can view or public on the web, so people without a Google account can access the embedded report. Get the embed code. After ensuring the right permissions, go to File in the top menu and select Embed Report. Copy and paste the embed code. Generate embed code. Looker Studio will generate an HTML iframe embed code. Copy the code. Copy the entire embed code provided. Embed the report. Paste the code. Go to the HTML of the website or platform where you want to embed the report. Paste the embed code into the appropriate place in the HTML structure. Publish the changes. Save or publish the website to display the embedded Looker Studio report.